Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best OTG ovens that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Oster Convection Countertop Toaster Oven Stainless Steel, TSSTTVDFL2. Here comes another OTG oven from Oster. This oven is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is both strong and durable in the long-term use. It comes with 3 buttons for 3 settings, including temperature, function and timer, for you to customize your own meal. In terms of the temperature, it shows the temperature in Fahrenheit. It allows users to adjust their own temperature between 0 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with 5 functions to deal with different types of food. These include warm, broil, toast, bake and combo. Thus, it is suitable for making salad, toast, bread as well as pizza. On the other hand, for the timer part, users can set the timer range between 5 and 60 minutes. The criteria is in 5 minutes each. Moving on at number 4, we have the Oster Convection Toaster Oven, 6-slice brushed stainless steel, TSSTTVRB04. This is another model of OTG oven from Oster. It is equipped with convection technology to give you a fast and efficient heating process. It features a wide range of temperature for heating, which ranges between 150 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Thus, it is very convenient for you to cook many different types of things. If you want to make a toast, you can use both the bake and broil function. It allows you to set your own timer, which means you do not have to keep an eye on the oven from the beginning until the end. Users can set the timer with 60 minutes and let it shut off automatically. There are 2 rack positions for you to put different types of food in. The oven is operated with the power of 1,300 watts. Also, the tray is removable for cleaning, and the baking pan is designed to be long-lasting. At number 3, we have the Oster Large Convection Toaster Oven, Brushed Chrome, TSSTTVSK01. Let's take a look at another great OTG oven from Oster. It is a convection oven which is suitable for countertop design. It has a compact and portable size, which fits in well with the kitchen. The technology offers a fast and efficient heating process that we can use with the temperature range between 150 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The oven has a large capacity, which provides enough space for a 12-inch pizza to fit in. It comes with a wide range of functions, which include broiling, warming, baking and toasting. There are 2 rack positions for you to place different kinds of food. The oven uses the power of 1,300 watts. The oven has the depth of 15.37 inches with a corresponding height of 11.38 inches. The height between the upper and lower rack is measured at 5.31 inches. At number 2, we have the Oster TSSTTVFDDG DS Black Stainless Steel Collection French Door Oven. If you love to fill your home with black facilities, you must consider this oven from Oster. It is made of premium quality stainless steel, and it features 2 color designs. Users can choose the original stainless steel color or black satin finish design. This is a convection oven which works with the power of 1,525 watts. It has a large interior part, which is able to hold up to 2 pieces of 16-inch pizzas at the same time. It comes with a variety of cooking functions that are compatible with snacks, fruits and vegetables. It cooks much faster than its other competitors, and it distributes the heat evenly to maintain the best quality of the food. With the interior light on, users can see the interior part clearly. And finally at number 1, we have the Black Plus Decker 6-slice Digital Convection Countertop Toaster Oven. Now, let us take a look at this OTG oven from Black Plus Decker. With the convection technology, it delivers a much faster heating process, resulting in 20% less time in cooking. Users are able to set the timer with the maximum of 120 minutes. It has an automatically shut-off function which prevents the food from getting burned. In addition, it has a variety of functions, such as baking, toasting, warming, broiling and defrosting. There is a digital screen to let you monitor the progress because it displays the information for cooking for you. The capacity of the oven is able to hold a 12-inch pizza or 6 bread slices. For these reasons, you are highly recommended for this oven. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.